go. The faffing begins. What's this then? Trip number 7? Ooh. Right, we're off. Anyway, I'm faffing, so let's just break this the back of this camel, or whatever it is, horse, camel, monkey, hamster, whatever. Sky this morning. So I'm on the A24 and I'm making my way to first the petrol station, as you can see, got no fuel. And then all the way down to Dover for the ferry. And then making our way down to Reims to go to the old racetrack. I've always wanted to go, so it'd be cool. What else? Yeah, they're finding somewhere to stay because I haven't actually booked anywhere yet, but it's only me, so it's not like if I'm trying to find space for 8 people. It's just me and myself. Yeah. It's about 500 miles, I think. I'll reset my trip. Pump stop numero uno. Let's see where we go. Oh Jesus, look at the fucking queue. Welcome to the UK's motorways. But oh look, they've closed the road. This is going to be great. Get to the front. Bomb it away. Ah, shit the fucking bed. Ah, mate.
Thanks for stopping. They're just going to load this up and then I'll start releasing traffic.
No worries, thank you. Right, anyway, so this is Dover, where famously Jake Dixon comes from Moto 2 fame. Definitely pole position. Didn't even put my foot down. Docks. Alright. We're on the K anyway. Ketamine. Onto D for dickhead. Merci. That way. This way, yeah? Fuck. Really? Ah, fucking a duck. Ah.
Thank you. Engine off stop, please.
Nice bit of fisting. Morning. Bit fresh today, isn't it? Right, we'll have a lovely day. Cheers, I will. Onwards and upwards. 149, keep going. Here we are, 149. All alone. Oh, that will do. First on. Where do you want me? Okie dokie. Look at that. I'm here. I'm on board. On a ferry. We're moving, finally. Here we go. End of the port. And out to sea. Quite busy in there. Loads of people. Still not electric socket for the EU, so I'm just going to do that in a minute. But I'll let it calm down. Merci. Au revoir. Oh, and there we are. We're now on French land. Drive on the right, drive on the right. Drive on the right, drive on the right. Shorty. Exit. Come on in, hurry up. Oh, yes, 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 yes. This is lovely. Absolutely lovely. Oh, so glad to be here. 44 kilometres at 27 minutes until I come off. Fun. So I need to pass for a ticket. Toll booth in 0. Of course it is, because I can see it. Ooh. Smooth the French roads are. It's makes our road look how awful. They're so smooth. Fuck's sake. Why would you car behind me? I made a decent way. Shopping centre. Leclerc, the drive. How the fuck do we get in there? Straight on. There's a motorcycle there, it's got to be fucking near enough. Look at those beauties. A supermarket shop done. Some bondage tape at the flunch. Already loads of bugs on the helmet. But yeah, I made it to a supermarket. And I bought things. Trouble though, because I pushed through the barriers because I couldn't find my receipt. Oh well. He did ask whether I wanted a receipt, but no. There he goes. So, onwards and upwards. Got to attach my bags again. Now, it's time to get some fuel.
Please remove your smart card before refilling your vehicle. Just selected and let it be 10.
Right, let's fucking pump this fucking thing full. Let's shut that. I just want to reiterate how good the roads are here. Look at this. This is a slip road to a motorway. Look how smooth it is. Do you see any bubble? Not a single bubble. Oh, if only our slip roads were like this. Look at that. Oh, it's so sweet. And then, let's go. Behind me, slow it right down. There it is. Oh man, how cool is that? It reminds me a lot of Goodwood. How cool it is. Oh, gonna come back round. Jesus! So here is sentiment to Reims racetrack, what's left of it. Part of the circuit, pit lane over there. How cool that is. Made it! Got to head back that way now. Here's my bike, made it all this way. Absolutely freezing now though. Freeze my tits off. going to go and have a look over there as well, see what's behind all this bit. There she is. Swapped over sides. Got to the other side. That's where bike is. There's a plaque up here. I need to read it later when I have a moment. But yeah. Oh, look at this. So this is the old BP stand. Look at that. Oh, it's slippery. Look at that, that's so cool. Oh my god, I need to get a picture there. The roads have been, boring but clean. Nothing coming that way. After this one, we're going to go. Well, it's not doing too bad, except for, if you look at this, I stopped at a petrol station, the signs were so fucking shit, I overshot the fucking petrol station, I couldn't get back to it. So the next one's 43 kilometres away. Absolute bullshit. What's 43 kilometres? 25 miles? Fingers crossed. I'm so fucked up. So, yeah, missing that petrol station. I managed to do 40 miles on this last little bar, and it's not been doing that well. So I thought this would do 300 miles to a tank. So you know what? I've been getting about 150. 12 miles. It's a long way to walk. Oh look! Love that train set. Flying along, unlike me. Oh, this is not fun. You join me at now 4.2 miles away from the petrol station. The sky is absolutely stunning over there. I mean, look at that. I just then fucking lose concentration because it does cut out. I just need to pull the clutch in and just roll as far as I can. I've got my arm tucked in here. I'm behind this lorry. 3.6 miles, 3.5. Yeah, I'm just waiting for that moment where it just cuts out and I pull the lever in and just see how far I roll. Hopefully at the top of a hill. 3.3, come on. About 100. I think I've pushed it now 160 miles. I read books that say 250 to 300. Like, no fucking chance. Look, ready? I'll show you how many miles I've done on 2 tanks. 333 miles on 2 tanks. Well, look at that, 2 miles. Well, it's downhill here. I mean, could be a mile of downhill. Oh yeah. Found me. Old fella. Vale. Here we go. Come on. 0.7 of a mile. I can see it now. Oh, fuck me, I've made it. I've definitely made it now because I can just roll it that 0.2 of a mile. Push it the rest. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh. Oh. Oh my god. Whew. Stunning clouds. Put some juice in the old girl. A lot of French people probably think I'm absolutely nuts talking to myself. Instead, a card. Look at that! Oh my god! That is sexual. So I'm now off the motorways for the rest of the trip, which is good, because that cost me a fucking fortune. Not sure I've discovered the meaning of life, but I have discovered my hotel. See? You can't really see the sign, it's too bright. See? Bike's in one piece still. Yeah. There we go. Yeah, that sign is absolutely glowing. There you go. Hotel the Baldens. Right, I'm gonna go and check in. I am also hungry, so I want to see if I can get some food. Well, the GoPro, is it recording? Yeah, I got it on GoPro as well. Right, go then.